have this old cell phone, and I thought I'd turn it into a computer console for my G.I. Joes. So I started with this Pringles can and measured a section where the cell phone could sit in flat, kind of like a cell phone holder. I used my Sharpie and marked 2 sections on the can, and then used a T-square and measured it to where the lines were straight. I used a rubber band to make a straight line from one line to another on both top and bottom to connect the pieces. I then used a sharp knife and cut it out where my lines were drawn. Once I cut this piece off, I decided to hang on to it because I was planning to use it for something else. I covered it in more of that silver aluminum tape, and it worked out pretty good. I included a small piece to hold the cell phone in place, since the cell phone has a ring. And with the camera photo gallery, I could cycle through pictures very easily and get the pictures I want as for photo stories. I find these on Pinterest all the time. If you check out my Pinterest, I have a Pinterest board called HUD, so feel free to check it out if you want. I added a couple of gems at the bottom and then some at the top as kind of extra little buttons. I think they give it a nice added touch. Since it's still a functioning cell phone, I could even use it to take pictures or shoot video as if they were sending pictures or videos to each other as part of a photo story or something. I also created a little short video using the VLC video player. You could loop the video. I think it gives it a really cool effect, as if they're talking about or planning their next mission. And I could create any videos that could be looped together and played as part of a photo story. I found a Windows 7 emulator in the Play Store and decided to use it because now I could put my Brass Eagle Adventure Team logo as a background. And this functions just like Windows 7. It's just a Windows 7 emulator, which is interesting. I thought the little console could use an extra little light, maybe to light up the area. So I came up with this thing, glued a couple of blocks together, and covered it with the aluminum tape. And this is one of those little puck lights that I had in one of my previous videos. Now looking at it, I think I should add a handle on it. I think that'd look cool if it had some sort of handle. Let me do that real fast. I'll bring it back. Okay, back now. It has a handle. I think that's much better. Maybe it's also a some sort of charger or something. I'll figure that out later. But for now, it could sit up here and light up the area, or sit on the floor and add additional lighting to whatever scene I want. This gives me an idea to maybe make some more of these little things. Maybe you should check out that in a few weeks. Well, that's all I have. Thanks for watching. I thought this would work great as an additional piece to my new operations command. Don't forget to click the like button, share this video, and if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. It really helps my channel out, and I'd really appreciate it. Don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. I'll see you in the next video.